Welcome to GemHub Tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove the background from your jewelry photos using GemHub in just one click. Let me show you how easy it is. First, open the GemHub app and navigate to your gallery. Find the photo you'd like to edit and open it in full size by simply tapping on it. Once you're in full-size view, look for the edit icon in the top right-hand corner of your image. Tap that, and you'll see an editing panel appear. Now, here's the magic. In the panel above your image, tap the Remove Background button and voila! In just a click, the app will automatically remove the background. Here's another trick. While you're in the GemHub editor screen, you can also retouch your photo with our AI-powered jewelry retouching tool. To do this, simply click the AI Retouch button right beside the Remove Background button, and GemHub will enhance your photo with one click. It's perfect for making your jewelry look even more stunning. And that's it! Once you're done, don't forget to click Done to save your changes. Your jewelry photo is now background-free and AI retouched, all ready to use for your website, social media, or wherever you like. GemHub makes it so simple so you can focus more on showcasing your beautiful pieces and less on editing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tips to supercharge your jewelry sales.